So guys, before going with the lab sessions, just I want to give overview on one component which we are going to install on the client machines for monitoring. So that component is Node Exporter. So Node Exporter is a kind of plugin which needs to be installed on the machines where host monitoring needs to be done. So if you want to add any host for the monitoring, that can be monitored through the Prometheus monitoring server, then on the client machine you need to install one plugin that is called Node Exporter. Okay, so now we'll go with the deployment. So first step is we need to download the Node Exporter, and we need to enter it, and we need to move the export binary to the /usr/local/bin. Okay, so let me log into the server. So this is my Prometheus monitoring server, which is Node 7, and IP address is 11.9 192.1.168.11.9, and this is my client. These machines are going to add in the Prometheus server for the monitoring, okay, which is Node 8. Okay, so this is the GUI console of Prometheus monitoring servers. You can see only one node has been added for the monitoring. Okay, now we are going to add Node 8. Okay, so let me download the Node Exporter package. So it will take time. So it will trying to it will try to download from the github.com. So you will get the URL from the, if you visit to Prometheus site also, you will get the all the links to download the Node Exporter. So it is now getting downloaded. Okay, so now Node Exporter package got downloaded, you can see. So this is the package. What we'll do, the next step, we need to untar it using tar-xpzf. You can untar the package. So now you can see the package has been untar. Now what we need to do, we need to move the Node Exporter to the /usr/local/bin. Just copy this command. So under this package, Node Exporter folder directory will be there. So we are copying this Node Exporter directory to the /usr/local/bin. Now it's moved. If you can see, if you go to this location, you will get Node Exporter. Okay, so now what is our second step? So we need to create a user called node_exporter and add a Node Exporter as a startup service. Then because when we'll reboot the machine, the Node Exporter service should be start automatically. So that we are adding the Node Exporter service as a startup service. So first step, we need to add a user. Copy, paste. Okay, the user got created. Now we'll create a file node_exporter.service under /etc systemd/system. Okay, insert, we'll copy all the contents. Let me paste. It's done now. Okay, after that we need to reload the daemon, systemctl daemon reload. Okay, now we need to start the Node Exporter service. Started, and also we need to enable the Node Exporter service so that it will start automatically when the system will boot. Now we can check the status whether it is running or not. Now you can see active and running. Okay, now it is done. Now we need to, what are the configuration we will do from the server side. Okay, so configure the server as a target. So now we'll add make an entry in the server so that the server will recognize. So this is no, this is the client. Okay, so what we will do, we need to log into the Prometheus server and we need to open this prometheus.yml file and we need to add this server as a target. Okay, so it is saying, so under space scrap underscore configs. Okay, so if this is the section scrap underscore configs. Okay, in this section we need to add the server. Okay, so it is saying under targets we need to add our targets. Okay, let me, so what is our client IP address? 11.10. Okay, so what we'll do, so under step underscore config, if you'll give the target section, so only there is one target. So what we'll do, now we'll add another target. Okay, so in this case our IP address is 11.10. okay, so now new target got added. So what is the job name is node. Okay, and this is the second target. Okay, now we'll restart the Prometheus. Okay, let me check what is the status. Sometimes the status will be failed if the entry is wrong. So now it is showing failed. Okay, might be we need to verify whether entry is correct or not. So guys, now you can see now Prometheus status is active and running. Earlier it was failed. So what was our mistake? So if you can see, so we need to put in comma in between our two targets. Okay, so that's why it was getting the comma was not there, so that's why it was on failed state. Okay, so let me go to, let me refresh this. So guys, now you can see earlier node 7, now node 8 got added. So if you select node 8, so now it is showing me what is the utilization, everything. Okay, this is node 7 and this is node 8. Okay, so status, what is the CPU utilization, memory utilization, swap, file system usage, so everything it is showing. Okay, so in this way you can add as many Linux host to the Prometheus monitoring server for the monitoring. Okay, so hope you enjoy the session. Guys, please stay tuned for next videos. Thank you very much.